Hey, it's Todd here from Huckabones. I'm a product specialist. Today we're going to be talking about big grain egg accessories. Stay tuned for the video. So today we're going to be talking about the must-have accessories whenever you're purchasing a big green egg. Obviously it comes with the grill, also comes with the grill lifter. So you'll be able to take the grill in and out. Also comes with an ash tool, which allows you to stir up the charcoal inside. And also whenever you're cleaning out the ash in the bottom, it brings all the ash to the bottom and you put it in a tray and dispose of it. So what we have here is some of the accessories that I recommend that you should have whenever you're walking away purchasing a big grain egg. First of all, you want to have a good set of tongs. Silicone tip tongs. Big green egg has silicone tip tongs that allow you to, when you're frying something or cooking something, you can get on there. Next up is you want to have a digital Insta-read thermometer. One that lights up, because if you're cooking in the night, you want to be able to see it. Some of the features of a good Insta-read thermometer will have at the back, it'll have the temperature of the meat that you're looking to cook at. So if you want a steak medium rare, it tells you what temperature to cook at. If you're cooking chicken thighs or chicken breasts, it'll tell you what temperature to cook at. If you're doing a roast, if you're doing a turkey, it'll tell you what temperature to cook at. So you don't always have to remember what temperature it is, you just have to look at the back. So Insta-read thermometer is definitely something that you should have. Next up, a mitt. An oven mitt or a big green egg mitt, silicone mitt, because when you're handling these, this is hot coals that you're getting. And if you don't have this whenever you're cooking, a lot of times I have my mitt on and I'm grilling because the flames come up, you'll burn your knuckles. I've done that lots of times. Also with a mitt, when you're pulling it off, an expander, which is hot, or a cast iron griddle, which is hot, you want to make sure that you have the mitts. This is also a very important tool. It's a ceramic deflector, heat deflector. So what it does is, it sits inside and the grate sits on top of here. Whenever you're doing anything indirect heat, so if you're doing a chicken or a turkey or pork loin, you're going to have it indirect, and it creates a little bit of convection when the lid is closed, so you get a full cook on the inside and the outside. Crisps everything up very nicely. And lastly, you should have some sort of cast iron griddle whenever you're cooking on the big green egg. You can fry your mushrooms in here, your onions, you can do fried potatoes, you can do your pork chops, you can do meat and baste your steak. You can do it anytime. You can also do little pies or cakes in here. I've done brownies in here, which works really well. So it's important to have the good tools that are going to allow you to do a good cook. So we don't just sell big green eggs, we use them. Every Friday we have something grilling on the big green egg. Today we've got 2 pork loins going, and if you guys could smell this, if we had smell-o-vision, you'd be just drooling. So one of the great things that Big Green Egg has done in their marketing is all their accessories. They have tons of different accessories that you can buy. So some of the things that I've used are the meat cleavers. So when you're doing pulled pork, the pulled pork can get very hot. So with the cleavers, you're able to dig up the meat. Also, something else that I use a lot of is these little skewers, little bamboo skewers. So when you're doing shrimp, when you're doing scallop kebabs or meat or veggie kebabs, these are something that I use quite a bit of. Also get yourself a good silicone mitt. You've seen that we had the silicone hand mitts, but these oven mitts are also very important to have as well. Drip trays are really good to have because when you are cooking something, the grease will drip on there, and if it drips onto your place setter, it ends up burning and it could create a flare up. So having a grease tray, disposable, you just throw it out at the end of the cook and it keeps your place setter very nice and clean. So as you can see, pizza peels. If you're doing a pizza, you're pulling your pizza off. It's something that you don't want to use your hands on. So a pizza peel is really good to have. And then as you can see, we have a whole bunch of different other types of accessories that you could use. So come to Huckabones and check them out. So today in this video, we went over what comes with the big green egg, what you should have when you purchase your first big green egg, and some of the favorite accessories that we have here. So if you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments. As well, like and subscribe our page. See you at the next one.